Hey guys, it's Adri with Usborne Books and More, and today we have Peek Inside Animal Homes. Ooh, who's hiding there? We got, oh, little bunny. So we learned that we keep some, and we make some homes for some animals, right, in a house. But some animals make their own homes out in the wild, so we'll start learning about them. Some animals live in trees, in the branches and inside, right? Some make burrows, actually called a warren for rabbits, which I had forgotten. Always learning with these Usborne books. With the beehive. So this, obviously this hive is man-made, but there's ones that are out in the wild, right, too. Little mouse, little fat mouse hiding in the bush there. Big termite mound. Whoa, crazy. Who's hiding? Sniff, sniff. Polar bear and her cubs are coming out. Yay. And gnawing on the tree. Builds a dam. And then their home, the beaver's home here, is a lodge. And the door's underwater, which is fun. Oh, little bear. Yay, Nemo! So I have a video about using this book when you're doing ocean or coastal underwater stuff with our nature sticker book. It's really fun for sticker book nature. You can learn about all the other things and cross-reference with the books. Okay, little tent bats, cute. And the jaguar with her baby. Bye-bye. Slinks away. There we go. There's Peek Inside Animal Homes. Thanks, guys. See you next time.